For us, chocolate means passion. And that since 1881. In over 135 years, we have evolved an exclusive production process at Valor, from the cocoa bean to the chocolate bar. Producing around 21,000 tons of chocolate every year in 2 modern production plants with a total of 65,000 square meters. For further optimization of production planning and scheduling, we deliberately chose a Siemens solution, Preactor APS. With Preactor APS, we can now capture plant data in real time, giving us greater accuracy in processing this data, as well as speed and precision for sequencing times in production, reducing it from 24 hours per order down to 8 hours. Preactor APS also enables better and faster updating of the manufacturing master plan, improvement in relationships, and interdepartmental communication, as well as a rise in service level from 97.8 to 98.5%. For the future, we are planning to completely digitize all the production plants to ensure more agility and gain more competitiveness.